Hey, my name's Zach, and I wanted to show you how to import a color palette or a swatch into Photoshop. So now I'm over in Photoshop, and I'm going to go up to Window and select Swatches. Swatches opens up, and if you hit this button up here, you can say Load Swatches. I have two swatches here, and I'll just select Gone Fishing and hit Load. Now if I scroll down, those colors were just added to my swatches. My name's Zach, and I just showed you how to import palettes or swatches into Photoshop. Thanks for watching.